Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the moon. The moon's over there. And over here, on this side, is the sun. So, why do scientists and everybody always say the sun and the moon is on different sides of the planet every day? But you can see both of them right now in the middle of the day. And it is, let's see what time it is. And it's 2:03. It's 2 p.m. But you can see both of them, the sun and the moon, both at the same time. So they always say that the sun's on one side of the planet and the moon's on the other one. How come they're both on the same side right now? Because they lie, and they lie, and they lie. To get money, that's why they lie, to get government funded money. There's your money.
Want some egg, Milo, rice. What's that? French toast.
That's my French toast. Oui, oui, mademoiselle. They're so French. I'll eat that after I finish these African tatas.
After what?
Afritada.
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 No worries.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Hakuna Matata is our philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Can you shut up until I smack your ass up. Hello there, we're unboxing some stuff. And this is good unboxing. And these are Anna and Esther and an egg toys. And I'm gonna unbox this. And it's open and I could do it. And do it with the camera. Let's try to open. And there it is for that. Open it. We're going. This is a cane. Okay, this one's so cool. It's so hard. My hands are so slippery. It's an elephant.
Wow, that's nice.
Let me see that sound good.
That's a nice, cute surprise egg.
Good thing the volume's on if you have to check.
Surprise! What's the other one?
It's an elephant. And a watch. This is a good watch. I got this watch.
Olaf. Say it's Olaf.
We'll say it. I wanted to say it. This is Olaf. And it's an Olaf. Look at the lights.
Make your voice louder, it's too low.
And it's have a box.
You have to open it.
And open it. Where's a box rip?
You have to make a review. What's that?
This happened.
Can you help?
Thanks. I could do the rest. And it's a box.
Louder your voice.
And this one is the good one.
See something about that.
And it's some candy. Look,
Is
it's
it
a
a
box.
Shoot it up on.
Look at the candies. This look like And my man took a candy. And did the box. And this one, the boxing away. And this is a watch. This one also spins and you take
You
it
put
off
the
also.
candy in there.
I know something that. And it's also open. Look. So now it's opening. Get the scissors. And this also opens and closes and you take it off. And the candies are going in and oh, some candies fall.
I'll take it off at one time.
Have to eat some of it. To the camera, I'm gonna eat some of it.
And close. This candy don't fit. And put this somewhere. And this is a candy. And it's turned off for 10 minutes.
Are you sure it's a
And
candy?
a wrap.
Take a look. It's a can snap.
It's a candy snack. It's a big one. It's a big candy. It's a candy and a watch.
Tell them that's awesome.
It's awesome and all off. All things in there, so
What's
awesome.
this now? It's not good for kids.
What's that?
Candy.
Sarah.
Chicken.
Goodbye. And look at this. And we're taking it off. And look at my toys. This is just a toy for an elephant to eat. And you wear this at night. And goodbye.
Goodbye.
And go wise up.